Hello and welcome back. Today we'll talk briefly about the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. Let's go to the video. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a compact and portable drone manufactured by DJI, a leader in drone technology. It has advanced flight and image capture features and is easy to use, making it an excellent option for beginners and professionals alike. Some of its key features include a 4K camera with 3-axis image stabilization, advanced GPS for precise navigation, obstacle sensors to avoid collisions, and a long-lasting battery that allows for up to 46 minutes of flight time. Additionally, it comes with an intuitive remote control that connects to your smartphone for an even more immersive flight experience. With the DJI Mini 3 Pro, you can capture incredible photos and videos of landscapes, outdoor events, travel, and more. It also offers integrated image editing and sharing features to help you easily create and share your content. Some benefits. Portability. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a compact and portable drone that can be easily carried in a backpack or travel bag. This makes it ideal for people who are always on the go and want to capture aerial images in different locations. Image quality. The 3-axis image stabilization of the DJI Mini 3 Pro's 4K camera allows you to capture high-quality images and videos with sharp details and vibrant colors. This is especially useful for photographers and videographers who want to create professional content. Safety. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is equipped with obstacle sensors to avoid collisions during flight, as well as advanced GPS for more precise navigation. This increases the safety and reliability of the drone during use. Long battery life. The DJI Mini 3 Pro's battery allows for up to 46 minutes of flight time, which is significantly more than most drones of similar size on the market. This allows you to capture more images and videos without worrying about recharging the battery frequently. Intuitive remote control. The DJI Mini 3 Pro comes with an intuitive remote control that connects to your smartphone for an even more immersive flight experience. The remote control is easy to use and has buttons and joysticks to control the flight and camera. In addition, the DJI Fly app offers integrated image editing and sharing features. Some possible drawbacks. Price. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is more expensive than many other drones of similar size on the market. If you are on a limited budget, it may be difficult to justify the investment. Limited range. The maximum transmission range of the remote control is 10 kilometers in obstacle-free areas. This can be a problem if you are using the drone in densely populated urban areas or in environments with a lot of signal interference. Flight restrictions in some areas. In some countries, there are regulations that limit where and how you can fly drones. It is important to be aware of local restrictions before using the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Lack of larger image sensor. The DJI Mini 3 Pro's camera has a smaller image sensor than the cameras found in larger drones. This can affect image quality in some situations, such as low light conditions. Not waterproof. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is not waterproof, which means you need to be careful when flying over water or in adverse weather conditions. If the drone comes into contact with water, it can cause permanent damage to the equipment. Price? Currently around $800. Where can I buy it? Online stores like Best Buy or Walmart. Is it a good option? Yes. In summary, if you are looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use drone with advanced flight and image capture features, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is an excellent option to consider. Thanks for watching the video. Leave a like and